So today I wanted to come and show you guys how you can sign up for a P.O. box at your local UPS office. One thing, it's not as hard as it seems. I know how it is doing something for the first time for your business like this. So I'm going to show you online how you can go ahead and secure your P.O. box. And then when you get there, that's just less paperwork you have to do, which is not much at all. So if you do decide to go to the post office, here's the shortcut version of what you're going to do. You're going to go, they're going to give you a form. You'll need to bring your ID and then another form of identification, which can be like an insurance card or your birth certificate or something like that. But I use my insurance card and my license. So you can do that. And then you're going to fill out the little form they have. They're going to sign off on it, tell you how the USPS system works as far as like your P.O. box and how you can get street addressing, which is free, which we'll talk about that later. But that's pretty much it. And then they're going to assign you your keys, and then you do pay up front however much your fee is. If you do the 3-month box, it's going to be a recurring charge each month automatically. But if you do the 6-month or 12-month, then you'll get to pay it by yourself. It won't be an automatic charge. Whatever method of payment you use, whether it's card or credit card or debit card or credit card, is going to automatically take that off of that same card unless you change it. So just know that going into it. I'm going to click over here to my screen. And it's going to show us, we're going to do USPS.com. And then we're going to go to track and manage P.O. boxes. You do have to have an account for this, and it'll tell you that in a minute. But you're going to skip choose your P.O. box size. It's not, that's not what you think it is. It's just going to show you the different sizes. So here you're going to put in your zip code. And it's going to show you all of your post office boxes that are near you. So you'll select the one, whichever one you select, you have to go there. That's where your P.O. box is going to go. You can't sign up at one office and then go to another office for your service. You have to do it all at one place. So you're going to click. So here are the different sizes of your P.O. boxes. Even if you decide to get packages, you really only need a small one, unless, you know, if you're a product-based business and you're going to be receiving a lot of packages and things like that. If you want a big one, you can get one, but I have the extra small one. It's the cheapest one, and it's $30 a month here in Mississippi. Now in Texas, I kind of played around with different zip codes, and in Texas it's $39. Arlington, Texas, $39 for the smallest one, and it just kind of varies depending on where you live, so be sure to check that out. So then you'll hit reserve now. And it's going to redirect you to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll create one, and then it'll pick up where you left off. And it's self-explanatory. I'm not going to do it because I already have an account, but I forgot my password and username, so I can't even show you that in depth. But it's self-explanatory, and then it's going to tell you to print something out and just take it to the post office when you get ready to sign up for your P.O. box, because it's already secured. They're going to give you your box number and all of that. So I really hope this helped. That is all of this tutorial. I'll talk more in depth about why it's important to have a different P.O. box, especially if you're running your business from your home. You do not want to use your home address for mailing, for customers to mail you things. And when you have an email list, you want a P.O. box on there unless you have your own like business address, like an office, where you don't mind random strangers having your address. So stay tuned, and we'll talk about that later. I really hope this helped. Drop something in the comments. Let me know if this is helpful to you and if you want more tips about different things like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.